My name is Chok. I'm from BRAINet Grade 8 Daycare Center. Today I'm going to show my STEM project, the Solar Power Blender. Let me start with a little story. One evening, I overheard my parents talking how our electricity bill keeps getting higher and higher. Every month, it costs more just to run things like the fridge, the fan, and even a small blender. When I heard that, I thought to myself, if even a blender uses up so much electricity, maybe I could find a better, cheaper, and greener way to power it. That gave me the idea for my project. My blender runs on solar power. The solar panel collects sunlight and turns it into electricity through the photoelectric effect. This electricity makes the blender spin so it can blend fruits into juices, all powered by sun. And what happens if there's no sun? Don't worry, my model has a rechargeable battery that stores energy so it can still work on cloudy days. What I really like about this project is that it saves electricity, cuts down on bills, and it's good for the environment. This is my own solar powered blender, and I hope you like it. Thank you very much.